Sitting out here working, and I just heard a huge explosion down at the end of the street. Jamie called and said it was my buddy Steve in his truck. We'll go see what's going on. Well, there's Big Steve, and there's his dump truck laying on its side. I'd say the guy in the tanker truck pulled out in front of him.
The white truck went in front of him, said turn signals was on, but it wasn't his turn signals, it was his four-ways, so he wasn't paying attention. Yeah. And he just went in front of him, but going, and then all of a sudden, kaboom.
Was the white truck coming across here?
Yeah. Yeah. White truck was
Not too bad, I guess.
Hey, Greg, I mean, like, for us, I mean, it's a normal occurrence here, Greg.
They need a light here, they really do.
Well,
There's wrecks here every other week. Every other week on this intersection.
You can blame Jack back there.
That's my buddy was driving the dump truck, my buddy Steve.
Really?
Yeah.
It wasn't his fault. I seen it.
Yeah?
I was sitting on my couch and I was watching out the window. This guy pulled out and all you heard was pow.
Oh man, he ripped right into that thing.
Oh,
It's a
yeah,
good
he
thing
did.
that tank was empty, huh?
That's what I was worried about.
Yeah. Well, the good news is Big Steve's okay.
Yeah.
He looks a little shook up. Hi, Randy. Here's my buddy Randy. He looks a little shook up, but he's all right. It could have been a lot worse. Good thing that was empty.
This is one of our best runners.
My buddy Big Steve.
Go ahead, get on the way, Josh.
He
Let me go dinner.
I already did. You can go on up that way and
Yeah, that's why I came in.
yeah. Go ahead, get going. They're gonna need probably another turn. I don't know if they're gonna make it. I won't make it.
yeah.
Somebody's blocking the road.
Somebody's blocking the road, but it wasn't his fault.
At least you're okay, man.
Yeah.
My truck's tired. It wouldn't let us lay down.
Your truck's tired, it wanted to lay down. My buddy Big Steve, I heard that bang, man. I heard that bang from down there.
I put a hole in his truck.
Well, that's what he gets for putting that thing in front of you.
Tried to share my load.
So he was coming across over here,
Yeah, he was
going
straight
across
across.
Maxburg, and you were coming down 213?
Yeah, I just left Union Mills down there where they're digging all the dirt up.
Yeah. And you had a full load on.
Yeah.
Looks like your batteries are trying to escape over there.
Yeah.
I'm just glad you're all right, buddy.
Yeah, me too.
Your shirt's kind of tore up, though.
Yeah, I got some raspberries on my back. A little cut on the knuckle. Hey, it could have been worse.
You might be feeling some more pain tomorrow. That you probably got a good adrenaline rush going right now. Yeah, that's gonna be backed up for miles. I'm just glad you're okay, buddy.
I had it completely sideways in the road.
Well, the dump truck was sideways?
Yeah, front tire right here and the back tires were way over there.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, you did. You did have it sideways.
Yeah, the bed punctured his tank.
Oh, it's a good thing you didn't hit that head on, huh?
Yeah. Well, I wasn't gonna.
Yeah, you've been doing this for a minute, haven't you? I'm just glad you're okay. Jamie called and said it was Steve.
Yeah, she was first in line over there. She was in
Yeah.
a little bus.
They let her go around or she turned it around?
I don't know.
Oh, she must have went that way. Yeah.
Come on, she was the first one to tell me.
You know, she loves you.
Give me a big hug.
Right
That's a
on.
highlight of my day.
I got a hug from
I got a
Jamie.
hug from a woman.
Yeah, I heard the bang and I was like,
Not good.
sounded like somebody dropped something, but then I had this kind of bad feeling. And then she called and said it was Steve. I said, I'm on my way. Got your glasses back. Got your glasses back.
Yeah, I put them together. They're kind of bent up, but they work.
Right on. Yeah. Said he just filled them. I think he's got like 140 gallons on. And it's draining out of that top tank into the bottom one.
Yeah, crossover line. When you get up there and shut the crossover off, it should be out of there.
I don't think Steve's too worried about any of that right now. I thought he did a pretty good job getting it sideways. I mean, if he'd have T-boned that thing, and it's a good thing that Foster Farms truck was empty.
Oh, yeah. Fucking hole.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll bet you anything you just came from the chicken place down on Sprague Road.
Yeah.
It's Malala Poultry. I used to haul them out.
feeling my buddy Steve. Guy's got just a excellent sense of humor, and he's the most laid back guy you'll ever meet, but I have a feeling he's going to be feeling some pain tomorrow. Said he had to undo his seat belt, fell down on the passenger side, and crawled out the windshield. Feeling sore yet, Steve?
No more than usual.
I'm just glad he's okay, man. Real good dude. Steve's gone with me and helped rescue a couple of my trucks, helped me get one of my fire trucks home. Just a real nice guy. side mirror. Windshield looks great, brother.